Hey guys, it's Ryan, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can resticker your Rubik's Cube. So what you're first going to need is, of course, a Rubik's Cube. I'm using an actual Rubik's brand. Turns pretty good. But the stickers are pretty bad, so I'm just going to use this. And then you'll of course also need your stickers because you're going to resticker. These are just sets that I got at the cubicle.us, which is like a Rubik's Cube store. And then optional, which means like you don't really need it, but it really helps. Sticker peeler. You can get these at like other cube stores. Just make sure fingers not do the work. Then a ruler or something to measure with, but like I said, it's optional. And then oh wait, no, this is mandatory. You need it. It's like an X-Acto knife. What it is, it's just like a thin blade, and you don't really need the exact brand. You can just use like this knife too. And then something like this is optional, like something that can get the sticker residue out when you take the stickers off. You can use Goo Gone or like stuff like that. I'm just using brake cleaner because that also works pretty well. And then if you're gonna use this, and you're also gonna need paper towel. I'm just using Bounty. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so the first step is removing the stickers. It's pretty easy to do. You can do it with your hand, which will take a while, and you can throw these stickers out. I don't really care. You can, like, I'm just gonna like throw it out anyways. So, or you can use this, but you know, the first step is just to remove the stickers. So you can do that either way. So you just want to do that, and then continue it for all 6 sides. So after you took all the stickers off your Rubik's Cube, you can just throw all of these away, or you can keep them. It doesn't really matter. And then you're going to most likely have residue, which is like this stuff on the cube. So you can try to get them off with your hands by just doing this, but I'm going to use brake cleaner, and mine's a spray, so I need to do this outside. But what you basically do is you get, and you can do this with your Goo Gone or whatever too, just anything that removes any sticky residue. What I do is I fold it in half, and then half again, and then just spray it like that, and then just wipe it off. And I can't really do this now because it's really poisonous. But yeah, that's how you do the second step. Or you don't actually have to do that at all. So this is an optional step. But yeah. Okay, so After you've done all of that, now it's time for the actual restickering part. So you're just gonna get whatever sticker, and then get your small blade, and now you know how I mentioned about the ruler. So if you want to get it precisely on, you can measure the how big this is. So this is 1.5, and then measure the actual piece, which is about 2.8. No, I mean 1.8, and then just subtract the number from this with this. So 1.8 minus 1.5 equals 0.3, and so just 3 millimeters. Well, it's about like 4 millimeters on this though, and then you divide that by 2, and then that's how much space there should be between each sticker. So what you want to do is take that sticker off, put it on like the tip of the blade, and then find out 0.2, and then just put it on from there. So you could do that, or you could just do the guessing thing and just like keep getting the sticker and then just like aiming for like the center. And then you can also do that. So I'm just doing the aiming thing. Okay, so you don't want to just like randomly put stickers on each side, because you want to get the color scheme right. So because if white's here, yellow should be here and all that. So after you do the white, you should do the yellow, which is on this side, the opposite side of white. So here, and then just sticker there. Now you can choose any color for each side, for just the one side. I'm just gonna say this is going to be my red. So I'll just sticker that red, I guess. And you can just choose blue or whatever. But just to not make it complicated, just choose red. Okay, now since you're in that, you want to put orange on the opposite side. So here. Okay. So now you're done the orange, and so you want to put blue between the orange and red, so here. Okay, now the last blank spot is here, so that's obviously where this sticker has to go. Okay, now to be honest, this looks a lot better than what it looked before with these. It looks more professional and more solid with these stickers, and it just makes me want to turn this, use this a lot more than before. Also, I have a quick mention that cancube.org, which is a Canadian cube shop, is having a sale right now with all their new products, and if you use the code mini2x3, which is MINI then 3x3, they're gonna you can get a free Cyclone Boys 3x3 with any order. So that's pretty cool. I'm also gonna order from there soon, so if you want something free with your order, then you might as well order from there, and I'll put a link in the description for their site. And anyway, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.